Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase v from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off on the top left, and let's draw an angled line down. Then from the right side, let's draw an angled V down and back up, making the right side a little bit shorter. Now from the right, let's draw an angle down and out like this. Now let's draw the sides with long angled lines down and in. And then close off the bottom with a line across. And that's it for the basic shape of the letter V. Let's move inside and draw the eyes next. Let's start inside on the bottom left and let's draw a square shape on an angle. Next, let's draw the right eye in the same way, but angled the opposite way. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside the eyes. Next, let's hop inside each eye and draw angled lines across the center. Then underneath, let's draw a curved line down on the left, and the same thing in the right eye. And then let's color both of these in black. And lastly, let's add the mouth in between the eyes with an upside down V. And that's it for lowercase v. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!